In the laboratory, the diagnosis of a fungal nail infection, onychomycosis, follows a precise multi-step protocol. 1. Reception and preparation. The sample, consisting of nail clippings from the patient, is first received at the laboratory. 2. Direct microscopic examination. The nail fragments are dissolved in a potassium hydroxide KOH solution. This step aims to clarify the sample by digesting the nail cells, making the fungal elements more visible. The sample is then observed under an optical microscope. The goal is to search for and identify the presence of characteristic mycelial filaments, which confirm the infection. 3. Culture. In parallel, another portion of the nail clippings is inoculated onto a specific culture medium, Sabouraud Dextrose Agar, which promotes the growth of fungi. 4. Incubation and identification. The culture is then incubated for 2 to 3 weeks. After this period, the fungal colonies that have grown are examined. The precise identification of the fungal species, dermatophytes, yeasts, or molds, responsible for the infection is then carried out by observing their macroscopic colony appearance and microscopic characteristics on the agar.